Hi children, good morning. Welcome to Max online class Nana. In previous class we completed exercise 1.4, isn't it? So the story sums. I hope you are practiced in the rough notes. Okay. So today I am going to explain the estimation and rounding of numbers. Okay ma? So my dear children, I didn't send the notes to you for this chapter. So today afternoon I will send the notes in the WhatsApp group. You take 4 days or 5 days time and write neatly in that notebook Nana. Take one white pages notebook. Books are available in the campus. Inform to your parents and take the notebooks Nana. See, this is the white pages long notebook. So draw the line for the margin like this, down and this side. Okay, draw the margins with pencil Nana. Use the scale and pencil and you draw the margins, and above the margin you start the first chapter, numbers all around us. Okay, and you have to continue from here itself neatly. Okay ma, without mistakes. So you watch the video regularly, try to understand the concept, and you have to complete the first chapter notes neatly Nana. Okay, so if you have any doubts, you call to me. I will clarify your doubts. Okay ma? See this, estimation and rounding of numbers. So rounding of numbers helps us to find the approximate value. Suppose if I take a t-shirt at 549 rupees and a pant for 620 rupees. So how much amount I will give to the shopkeeper? Just by calculating that number, by rounding off that numbers. 549 is 500, 623 that is 600. Nearly I will give 1100, that nothing but 1100, isn't it? So instead of giving approximate value, we will give that, instead of giving exact value, we will give the approximate value. Okay, by taking rounding off numbers. Okay, how to round off these numbers? We will see in this class. Okay ma? So rules to round off a number to a given place. First, to round off the number to the nearest 10, round off the number to the nearest 10. So first we round off the number nearest to 10 Nana, next to 100, next to 1000. Okay. So how do we round off this number? Take one example, 28 or 528. You take one example. To round off this number to the nearest tens, you see the digit to the right side of it. So what's the digit to the right side? Yes, 8. If 8 is greater than 5, okay, if this digit is greater than 5, add 1 to the tens place. Okay ma, add 1 to the tens place and the ones place becomes 0. Yes, see here 8 is greater than 5. So you should add 1 to the tens place, that is 2 plus 1, 3, and keep 0 in the ones place. So 528 is rounded off 530. Okay, is it clear to you children? Okay, if you can't understand, again I will explain, listen carefully Nana. The digit in the ones place is greater than 5, then you have to add 1 to the tens place number and keep 0 in the ones place. Yes, here 8 is greater than 5, so add 1 to this number, 3, and keep 0 in the units place. Okay, let us take one more example. So to round off this number to the nearest 10, see the digit at the right side. So which digit is given here? 2. Is it greater than 5? No, it is less than 5. That means if the digit in the ones place 2 is less than 5, you have to write the tens digit as it is, the tens place and the remaining all the digits as it is, and keep 0 in the ones place. Keep 0 in the ones place. Is it clear to you Nana? So to round off the number to the nearest 10, first you see the digit to the right side If the digit is greater than or equal to 5, then you add 1 to the tens place number digit and keep 0 in the units place. Okay, that is one point. Next point is, if the digit is less than 5, the digit in the ones place is less than 5, then you write the tens place asterisk and keep 0 in the units place. The remaining digits asterisk will write. Okay, see in your textbook, in order to estimate or round off the number to the nearest tens, if the digit in ones place is less than 5, replace the ones digit by 0. Replace the ones digit by 0 and other digits remains the same. If it is less than, just you keep 0 in the ones place, remaining all digits asterisk will write. Okay, and if the digit in ones place is greater than or equal to 5, increase the tens digit. Increase this digit by adding 1. Increase this digit by 1 and keep the 0 in the units place. Okay, and other digits are remain same. Let us take one more example, children. 5439. To nearest 10 means you see the digit to the right side. It is greater than 5. Greater than 5 means what's the rule? Yes, increase it the tens digit by 1. So here 3 is there. So you write 4. 3 plus 1, 4 and keep 0 in the ones place. Finish. Okay. So the digit in the units place is greater than 5. Increase the tens digit by 1 and keep 0 in the ones place. Okay ma? Let us take one more number. So to round off this number to the nearest 10, see the digit in the units place? Yes, 1. It is less than 5. If the digit in the ones place is less than 5, the remaining digits all are same and keep 0 in the units place. 2560. The digit in the units place becomes 0 and remaining digits asterisk we will write. I hope you understand clearly. Okay ma, don't get be confusion. Try to understand the concept. So to round off the number to the nearest 10. Nearest 10. This is tens place, but we don't look at the tens. Just you look at the right side of this digit. That is ones place. If the ones place digit is less than 5, we write the number asterisk and keep 0 in the ones place. So only ones place we place 0. Remaining digits or asterisk we will write. If the digit in the units place is greater than 5, increase the tens digit by 1 and keep 0 in the units place. And these remaining digits asterisk we will write. Okay ma, is it clear to you? Okay, next one. To round off the number to the nearest 100. Nearest 100. So to round, let us take one example. 2,45,625. Okay ma? So 2,45,625. To round up this number to the nearest 100. This is hundreds place. So you look at the digit to the right side. That means tens place. Okay, if they are asking to the nearest 100, you look at the digit in the tens place. Underline that digit. Okay, if the digit is less than 5, we have to keep tens place and units place becomes zeros, and these are all same numbers. See ma? 2. Yes, here 2 is less than 5. So to round off this, 2,45,600, instead of tens and ones places becomes 0. Okay Nana? So here they are given information. Observe the digit at the tens place. If it is less than 5, then hundreds place remains the same. This hundreds place is not changed. If it is less than 5, hundreds place not changed and tens and ones places becomes zeros, and these remaining digits asterisk we will write. Okay, is it clear to you? And next one. Yes, observe this. To round off this number to the nearest 100, see the digit in the tens place. Yes, 7. It is greater than 5. In this case, what we will do? Increase it the hundreds place by 1 and keep zeros in the units and tens and units place zeros. Okay, ma? So, this all remaining 5,38,000 up to here same. But here it is greater than, so increase the hundreds place by 1. 8 plus 1, 9. And tens ones places equal to 0. Okay. See, my dear children, keep these points in your mind, then we can round off the numbers easily. Okay. To round off the given number to the nearest 100, just look at the digit in the tens place. If the digit is less than 5, the hundreds place not changed. As it is we will write, and tens and units places becomes zeros. This is rule number 1. To round off the number to the nearest 100, if the digit in the tens place is equal to 5 or greater than 5, increase it the hundreds place by 1 and keep the tens and units places zeros. Keep zeros in the tens and units places. Is it clear to you, Nana? So, 8 plus 1, 9. Tens and units places become zeros. Okay? Next one. Round off the number to the nearest 1000. Next one is nearest 1000. So, 2,85,175. Okay, this. To round off this number to the nearest 1000, first you see the digit in the hundreds place. If they are asking 1000, you look at the right side. That is hundreds place. Yes, here the hundreds digit is 1. Yes, it is less than 5. Less than 5. What is the rule? If the digit in the hundreds place is less than 5, the thousands place not changed. Okay. So, we write to round off this 2,85,100. So, hundreds place not changed and tens and ones places become zeros. So, keep zeros in the tens and units places. Okay, ma, is it clear to you? To round off the number to the nearest 1000, look at the digit in the hundreds place. Here hundreds place is less than 5. So, the thousands place not changed. As it is we will write up to and write that zeros in the tens and ones places. That is rule number 1. And let us take one more example. So, to round off this number to the nearest 1000, see the hundreds digit 8. Yes, here 8 is greater than 5. The digit in the hundreds place is greater than 5. Then add 1 to the thousands place and put zeros in the hundreds, tens, ones. Do you understand? If the digit in the hundreds place is greater than 5, add 1 to the thousands place and keep zeros in the hundreds, tens and ones places. See here, to round off this number, it is greater. So, add 1 to the thousands place. 4 lakh is same. This 56 become 57,000 and these places equal to zeros. Okay, Nana? Sorry, here also zeros, Nana. I forgot. Sorry. I'm extremely sorry, Nana. So to round off this number to the nearest 1000, just you see the digit in the hundreds place. If it is less than, then keep the thousands place as it is. Hundreds, tens, ones places becomes 0. Don't get be confusion. I am extremely sorry, Nana. Okay. And see next one. One more example I will explain. Don't get be confusion. See. So to round off this number to the nearest 1000, see the digit in the hundreds place. Yes, here 8 is greater than 5. Greater means thousands place, you should add 1 to the thousands place. That means 3,58,000 become 59 and hundreds, tens, ones becomes zeros. Okay, Nana? And next, I will explain one problem to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000. See ma, round off. So round off this number to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000. So first nearest 10. So nearest to 10. So given number is what? Given number is 5,36,724. So to round off this number to the nearest 10, this is tens place. See the digit to the right side. What is there? 4. Here 4 is less than 5. Less than means the tens digit as it is. So tens place digit not change and keep 0 in the ones place. Okay. So this is rounding. 4 is less than 5. So this is rounded. Rounded 5,36,720. Okay, ma, this is rounded to 5,36,720. Okay, and next nearest 100, same number, nearest 100. So first take down the given number 100. So to round off this to the nearest 100, see the digit to the right side. What is there? Yes, it is 2. It is the digit in the tens place is less than 5. So the hundreds place not changed and you keep zeros to the tens and units places. So rounded to 5,36,724 is rounded off 5,36,700. Hundreds place not changed, Nana. Why? Because it is less than 5 and we keep zeros in the tens place and ones place. Okay, ma? Is it clear to you? And next, nearest 1000. Nearest 1000. So to round off the given number to the nearest 1000, first you see the digit in the hundreds place. Thousands place is this one. To round off this, first you see, look at the digit in the hundreds place. 7. Yes, here 7 is greater than 5. Greater than means that the digit in the thousands place is increased by 1. So it is 5,37,000 and keep the zeros in the hundreds and tens and ones places. Okay, ma? Is it clear to you? So to round off to the nearest 1000, first you look at the digit in the hundreds place. It is greater than 5. So add 1 to the thousands place. 6 plus 1, 7 and keep zeros in the hundreds, tens and ones places. Okay. So to round off this given number nearest 10, 100, 1000. Is it clear to you, Nana? Now we will do check your progress. Just you keep only 2 points, Nana. If the digit is less than 5, the place is not changed, Nana. And keep zeros into the right side of the given digits, whatever they are asking, nearest 10, 100 or 1000. If it is greater than 5, you add 1 to the concerned place, Nana. Okay? And now, and the remaining places zeros. Check your progress. Round off each to the nearest ten, 100 and 1000. So this is the question they are asking. First one. So here 4 problems are given, Nana. I will explain 2 problems. Remaining 2 problems you do as homework. So 56,789. Solution. Nearest 10 first. So what's the given number? 56,789. Okay, the digit to the right side of the tens place. The digit to the right side ones place, right side of tens place is, that is ones place, Nana, equal to 0. So it is greater than 5. Okay, nearest tens means, see the digit in the right side of the tens place, 9. That is greater than 5. If the digit is greater than 5, you add 1 to the tens place and keep 0 in the units place. So this number is rounded up. Rounded to 56,790. Okay, ma? 8 plus 1, 9 and keep 0 in the units place. Okay, ma? Next, nearest 100. Same, nearest to 100 means, see the digit in the tens place. If they are asking hundreds, you observe the digit in the tens place. Here tens place digit is 8. 8 is greater than 5. Greater than means add 1 to the hundreds place. 56 asterisk will write and add 1 to the hundreds place. 7 plus 1, 8 and keep zeros in the tens place, ones place. Finish. So this number is rounded up, 56,800. Is it clear to you, Nana? And next, nearest 1000. So 56,789 is rounded off to the nearest 1000. See the digit in the hundreds. This is thousands place. Now look at the right side. Underline the digit. It is greater than 5. Greater than means add 1 to the thousands place and keep zeros in the hundreds, tens and ones. So 50, 6 plus 1, 7 and keep zeros in the hundreds, tens, ones. Finish. So 56,789 is rounded to 57,000. Okay? Is it clear to you, ma? Next, one more problem. My dear children, watch the video with concentration, Nana. And next question, third one, 4,56,726. First nearest 10. Nearest 10. Observe the number. Nearest 10. This is tens. Nearest to tens means look at the digit to the right side. Underline the digit 6. Here 6 is greater than 5. Greater than means add 1 to the tens place and keep 0 to the ones place. 0 in the ones place. Remaining asterisk we will write 4,56,700. 2 becomes 3. And in units place we keep 0. Finish. The digit is greater than 5. Add 1 to the tens place and keep 0 in the units place. These all digits, remaining all digits are same. Finish. Next, nearest to 100. So 4,56,726. Nearest to 100. Hundreds means look at the digit to the right side 100. Underline. What is this, Nana? 2. Here 2 is less than 5. The digit is less than 5 means hundreds place not changed. Okay. So we'll write hundreds as trees and keep zeros in the tens and ones. So 4,56,700. Finish. Okay, ma? 4,56,700. Next, nearest 1000. So 4,56,726 is rounded off nearest 1000. See the digit to the right side 1000. This is thousands place, Nana. See the digit in the right side. Underline that. What is that? 7. It is greater than 5. Greater than means add 1 to the thousands place and keep zeros in the hundreds, tens and ones. So 4,56,000 become 57. Add 1 to the thousand. If it is greater, add 1 to the thousands place and keep the zeros in the hundreds, tens, ones. So it is rounded up 4,57,000. Is it clear, Nana? Don't get be confusion, Nana. If they are asking nearest to 10, see the digit in the ones place. If it is less than 5, we will write asterisk. Here it is less than 5. Sorry, it is greater than 5. So add 1 to the tens place. 2 plus 1, 3 and keep 0 in the ones place. Okay, Nana? Next, nearest to 100. They are asking to round off this nearest to 100. Just you look at the digit in the tens place, and if it is less than 5, here it is less than 5 means there is no change in the hundreds. Asterisk we will write in the hundreds place and keep zeros in the tens and ones places. Okay. Now to the nearest 1000. See the digit in the hundreds place 7. Yes, it is greater than 5. The digit is greater than 5 means add 1 to the thousands place. 6 plus 1, 7 and keep zeros in the hundreds, tens, ones. Hundreds, tens, ones places equal to 0. So 4,57,000. Okay, ma? So you have to practice in rough notes this one. After you do, I'll give 2 problems as homework. So round off each to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000. Second problem in your textbook 86,289 and fourth one is 5,62,724. So if you have any doubt, just again you watch the video and clarify your doubt and round off this number. Okay, Nana? So I hope you all are do the homework and send to my personal number. Bye children, take care.